Hi friends, welcome back to Midday Clips. So now we are on the way to Srinagar and we are just back from Sonamarg. On the way we have to visit two more locations. This is one of them. This is actually a small park, but the attraction is there is a restaurant inside the park. So this will be a good location to take rest or to take refreshment in between. Actually the Sonamarg Srinagar route takes up to 2 hours of journey. So definitely this will be a good location to take rest or to have some refreshments. So let us see the visuals here. Now you are seeing the park and this is the restaurant. Actually this is a small park and it is surrounded by the Sindh river. This is the total view of this park, and at the end you can see the snow. At the end of this park you can see beautiful views. One side you can see little snow and on the other side you can see a peak. Actually the peak looks like a wall made by rocks. It's so long and it's really natural one. And you can see only little trees on the valley. This is the end of the park, and here on right you can see another peak. It's full of trees, and just opposite you can see just seen the peak with rocks. So we left the park and we are going to another location. Here in between you can see another view. This is also a peak but full of rocks. So now we are at Mamar. Here we are going to do river rafting. The boat is ready and we will start from here. We have chosen plan of 3 kilometers and it costs rupees 500 per head. The package includes 2 experts. They will be with you and they will give all safety measures, so you don't have to worry about it. I think this is one of the best choice you can have when you are coming here, and so enjoyable one. I will show you the price list. So we are ready to go. This is the ticket. Now you are seeing the price list. We are getting ready for. There are 2 guides following. Actually we don't have video, they are restricted to take camera. So we finished rafting. Nothing to say, it was so enjoyable one. So nice. On the way you can see many agricultural scenes like this. This is actually a paddy field and there is a vegetable farm on the middle. Here the people mainly depends on agriculture. Here the people consider tourism as a second choice. Now we are passing through a Bailey bridge. It's totally made of metal. Now you are seeing another beautiful view on the way to Srinagar. Here the most disturbing thing is always the vehicles will blow horn without reason. Also everyone rushes. They are not taking care of any other people, the pedestrians or the other vehicles on the road. That's the most disturbing thing here. Everything else fine.
You know that Mutasami and Asami.
Have you noticed something? Here all you can't see any flags or any notices.
This is Tamil film.
Everywhere there is only the shop banners. At the shop only. Nothing else. And here is a mosque, and now you can see some traditional type buildings. They are kept it well. At last we have reached the township. Here from it will be two rush, and here you can see a military vehicle, and look at both sides where you can see the traditional type buildings. The people here kept the traditional type buildings as is. Here you can see old buildings, but they are not maintained well, and here is new one, but still they have keep their tradition on the new buildings also. Another factor is the government supports to rebuild the old buildings, but the people here does not mind it because they would like to make concrete buildings, but the government always trying to rebuild the old building and to keep the traditions all over here. That's why many of old buildings still remaining as not maintained.
The buildings not maintaining well.
Huh?
Most of the buildings are
Have you noticed one thing? Here, the people using tempo traveler as bus services.
rather the
Only few
Some of them they make.
minibuses are there, but I think all those are for long routes. Maybe it would be like that.
ഇതൊരു ഫിൽറ്റർ ഇല്ലാവിന് മറ്റേ നമ്മളെ ഏത് ട്രെൻഡ് ഒരു സ്ഥലത്ത് തന്നെ സ്പോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ട്രെൻഡ് അതായത് ഇപ്പൊ കറങ്ങി കറങ്ങി പോണ പരിപാടിയില്ലേ അത് നിർത്തലാക്കിയ നമ്മൾ
And here is some fruit merchants.
മറ്റേതാണല്ലോ പഴനി അതിര
Here also you can see the old ones.
ഞാൻ പോയിട്ട്
Here another sign of tradition is that the people still use horses for transportation. So we are winding up today. You were watching Mindy Clips. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Like, share, also put your comments. Then let's see in next videos. Till then, bye.